Ornamental grasses have become popular, and ribbon grass is one of them for its low maintenance and attractive variegation of its leaves. It's a perennial plant with quick spreading ground cover and is also used as a container plant, commonly used as a hanging plant in the terrace garden. Those who want to go for easy growing and low maintenance plant, then ribbon grass would be the best choice. It is a very hardy plant and perennial by nature, and it adapts in any sort of weather condition and atmosphere. It's a drought tolerant plant, gives a fuller look to the garden with its variegation and texture. The leaves are bicolored with a creamy and green layer. There is no pest attack to this plant. It multiplies very quickly and is a fast growing plant. No demerits, and I cannot praise any more about this plant. I suppose this is the best choice for the beginners and they can give a try in their garden. Now there is a root bound plant which you can see right now over here. I have to cut down 60% of the roots from below and I will place it in a new pot. The dried leaves are being removed from underneath. The leaves will dry, that is very common, and that happens due to aging. But if your leaves turn yellow, then you will understand that either the plant is under sunlight or the plant needs much amount of water. Because of less watering, the leaves turn yellow. This plant loves much amount of water. It loves showering and misting, and do not keep the plant in direct sunlight. This is a monsoon growing plant. This plant even shows some flowerings. There are a certain variety of ribbon grass which shows yellow, white and violet colored flowers. In my previous episode of ribbon grass, I had shown you it flowers white colored small little flowers, and I suppose this season also, after some showers of rain, the plant will bloom into some white flowers. Look at the cutout part of the root ball. You see the root ball is looking just like a bird's nest, isn't it, friends? So we can use it as a DIY, or we can use this root ball as a garden manure. So many birds come into my garden, so I will keep this nest and let me see whether if birds make their home or not. So that's it, friend. This is all about gardening. There are lots to say about gardening. You can do whatever you like in your garden. All are about innovations, and really if you have passion about your gardening or anything, whatever you have passion, you will surely succeed and reach your goal. Under the busy schedule of life, it becomes quite difficult for me to make time for my garden, and all I do is alone in my garden. So this lockdown has helped me a lot, and I have utilized this time and I care for my plants and gardens. So friends, that's all for today, and what else to say? So if you want to stay connected with my channel, you can just type whatever you want to know followed by the name of my channel. Bye friends, thanks for watching. Meet you again. Bye bye.